Hi everybody, welcome to Richmond's Place. My name is Rebecca and this is my sourdough journey for the week. So I started out with just 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of water, and then I just stirred it up to get like a pancake consistency, I guess you can call it. And then I covered it with a cheesecloth and a rubber band, and then I put another rubber band to see how much action that it was going to do, and then I put it in a warm place next to my coffee pot so it'll stay fairly warm. Day 2 looks like it hasn't done much of anything. It hasn't moved anywhere, but it looks like there's some bubbles happening in there. Yeah. Day 3. Oh, we got some action now. Bubbles. Yeah. And it's resin. And it kind of stinks. Day 3. Okay, day 4. See how it's like kind of like separating right here a little bit? It's kind of like a watery, I don't know, just a watery. Let's open it up, check it out. Definitely got some action going on in there. So, it does smell like, almost like a yogurt. Okay, so day 4. I'm gonna add another cup of water and another cup of flour. Give it a good stir. It definitely smells sour. If I need to get another container to put it in, I can do that. But we'll see. Fine. And then it's about right here. We'll see how much it starts rising. Day 5. It don't look like it's doing very much. I think I might have put the wrong flour in. It's not looking very good. I don't see no bubbles. I think I might have killed it. I'll try to add some flour and see if it will help. So day 5, added a cup of flour, no water. We'll see if that helps the bubbles. Okay, day 6. Don't really see a whole lot of action going on in here. I'm gonna put this into another container because it's getting too full. Maybe discard some, and I don't know. I'm winging this. Okay, so put it in this bigger container here. See how it's like got water on the top here? I don't know if that's normal. Pour it in here. Okay, so I'm gonna do another cup of flour. and another cup of water. It's starting to, I mean, it smells sour, but I don't think that it's near being ready yet. I'm hoping to see some action today with some bubbles. We'll see. This is what it's looking like after feeding it. So I'm gonna put a rubber band on this and see if this has any action at all today. I'll let you know. This is day 6. Okay, we'll see what she does today. This is Sally. Okay. So this is still day 6, and I haven't really seen a whole bunch of action with this sourdough starter. So I'm gonna add some whole wheat flour to it. And I think that I'm going to start out with a half a cup. So this is still day 6 because I've already put some in this morning, but it says that I was doing a little bit of research on it, and it says that if you add, like, you know, whole wheat flour to your starter, it's supposed to work better. So even though this is doing a little bit of bubble action, and I'll show you, it's not doing a lot. It's just, it could just be I'm just impatient, but I'm gonna add a half a cup in here of this whole wheat flour and see what happens. And we're also putting in a half a cup of water. So I'm just doing equal amounts here. And we'll see how that looks. Okay, so we're gonna see if this is gonna help with the rising and the, I don't know, the fermenting of this whole thing. Get it going a lot better. Day 7. I added another cup of whole wheat flour and water. Okay, day 8, it has got some bubblage, and we're gonna give this a try, and I'm gonna use some of this with one of my recipes that I did with a no-knead bread, and see how the bread turns out, and then I'll let you know. It's good. I think it's going to take a little bit longer for it to have the full sourdough texture and taste to it, but it definitely is sour. I'll keep trying until I get it right. But it's still good. It's really good. It's a little dense, but good. So I did also start another sourdough starter, and I'm still using my first one, and I'm gonna use all this. I'm gonna discard it probably all the way to down here, so that I can start adding it again. So I'm looking for recipes right now what all I can make with sourdough discard, but I'm thinking pretty much anything you want because it's just flour and water. I mean, and it's just, you know, been fermenting for a while, so you'll just have that little bit of sour flavor to it. So yeah, I'm gonna be making, I don't know, a whole lot of different things with the discard until I get it all figured out. But so thanks for joining me on my sourdough journey, and stay tuned for what I'll be making next. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, everybody.